Today we are going to check into a hotel and learn useful English for travel. Good afternoon. I have a reservation. My name is Anna Collins.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grandview Hotel. May I please see your ID or passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. One moment, please. I'm sorry. I don't see your reservation.
I booked it online.
Do you have a booking number or confirmation email?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Oh, I see it now. The name is Collins Anna. You are staying for 4 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
May I see your credit card, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. By the way, we have a free upgrade for you. Would you prefer a top floor with an ocean view or a lower floor with a garden view?
Top floor with an ocean view sounds amazing.
Excellent choice. Also, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. It is not included. Would you like to add breakfast?
How much is it?
It's $15 per person. You can pay now or at the restaurant.
Where is the breakfast restaurant?
It is on the 2nd floor.
Great. Do you have a lounge?
The lounge is on the top floor and it's open 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, the gym is on the 3rd floor. It is open 24 hours.
Do you have a swimming pool?
Yes, we do. The swimming pool is outside, behind the hotel.
What time does the swimming pool open and close?
It opens at 8 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m.
Is there a business center?
Yes, the business center is next to the lobby. It is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Do you have a shuttle service?
Yes, we have a free shuttle to the airport. The shuttle runs every hour from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Checkout is at 11 a.m. Do you want a late checkout?
That might be helpful.
It's free before 2 p.m.
Okay, thank you for letting me know.
All set. Here's your room key. The elevator is right down the hallway to your left. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful stay.
Today, we will learn useful hotel vocabulary. Let's do a quick recap of the vocabulary. Reservation, a hotel booking. Confirmation, proof of your booking. Upgrade, a better room. Complimentary, free. Late checkout, leaving later than normal. Shuttle, a hotel bus. Fee, extra money you pay.